Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 1 by 24 miniature vintage furniture set. It's for furniture for dollhouse living room, or you can use it as freeze magnet because it has magnets. These 1 by 24 dollhouse miniature furniture accessories are really cute. This package includes one miniature photograph, one end table, one swing machine, one hutch, and one coffee table. And it's really suitable for 1 by 24 scale living room decoration, delicate ornaments for dollhouse, or additional item to make your dollhouse more complete. You can use it also in a fridge because it has magnet in its back, and yeah, you will get 6 individual miniature furniture in one pack. And every furniture has a tiny magnet on the back, and you can use them as a freeze magnet also. Personally, I think the set is way smaller than 1:4 scale. The TV set and radio are usable, and it's nice quality. Just be aware, it's tiny. The swing machine and stool were too small for decoration in the 1 by 24 dollhouse. The detailing of this furniture set is incredible. Yeah, definitely, I just liked it very much, and it's really useful. Really useful. Thank you.